Running low on storage space. Wintoys makes it easier to identify unnecessary files, manage installed apps, and access Windows storage tools from one convenient place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to free up storage with Wintoys step by step. Let's get started. First, launch Wintoys from the Start menu. Wait for the application to finish loading, then open the section that displays your system information and storage details. Reviewing your available disk space first helps you understand how much storage you can potentially recover. Next, examine how your storage is being used. Look for categories such as installed applications, temporary files, downloads, or other large files. Identifying what's taking up the most space makes it easier to decide what can be safely removed. Now open the Apps section and review your installed programs. If you find applications you no longer use, uninstalling them can recover a significant amount of storage space. Before removing anything, make sure the application isn't needed for your work or other software. Next, use the available cleanup or storage management tools in Wintoys to help remove temporary files if they're supported by your version. You can also open Windows storage settings directly from Wintoys to review additional cleanup recommendations. Removing temporary files is one of the quickest ways to recover disk space. After the cleanup is complete, return to the storage overview and compare your available disk space. If needed, repeat the process occasionally to prevent unnecessary files from building up over time. Regular maintenance helps keep your storage organized, and that's how to free up storage with Wintoys. Reviewing storage usage, removing unused apps, and cleaning temporary files regularly can help keep your Windows computer organized and ready for everyday use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.